everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Putu Sri Suciningsi. My student's registration number is 19120211144. So today I would like to give feedback on Anita's literature review article entitled A Literature Review on the Factors Affecting EFL Student Satisfaction in Online Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic at Vocational High School Level in Indonesia. I would like to give feedback for the conclusion and suggestion part. Conclusion and suggestion part, we should conclude and give suggestion for the other previous studies that we have already reviewed. You have already reviewed about 4 factors, such as the use of technology, teacher factors, interaction factors, and material development factors. So in the technology part, you start that the technology can be a media and can provide a learning platform for learning, online learning. So you can add or elaborate again what technology is used in learning process, like it can base what you found in discussion part, the use of technology like the previous study have already found that students and teacher use Zoom, e-moodles in the form of flipbooks, and also YouTube. You can YouTube and e-learning. You can elaborate it again in the conclusion part. So, for the example, the technology can be a media and can provide a platform for learning, online learning, such as the platform such as like Zoom, e-moodles in the form of flipbooks, YouTube, or e-learning. Next, in the teacher factors. So in the teacher factors, I have already read your conclusion and the suggestion in the teacher factors. So you can elaborate. In general what those previous studies have found from teacher factors. So I find that the teacher factors, according to IG, Ardin, and Arifin, found that 2020 found that the teacher can use one of platform so students can collect their assignment easily. So it means the teacher have already know how to use the technology, the learning platform. So you can elaborate it in this teacher factor. Next, in the interaction. So in the interaction factors, interaction can make the learning process to be clear. Students can be more understand with material if there is an explanation from the teacher, and also students can share their difficulties to each other so they can share their knowledge. I didn't find in this interaction in your conclusion and suggestion part that the online learning. So because your topic about is student satisfaction, EFL student satisfaction in online learning, so you can elaborate it with the between interaction and online learning. So in this factor, you should explain how teachers and students interact with each other during online learning. So it is easy or not. It is easy or not when doing discussion, while students and teacher doing the learning process during online learning. Next, there is grammatically incorrect. So use that more better. So it should be better. So the word better. So better means more. So because it is only one syllable. Next, the suggestion in the teacher part, the teacher should prepare and know how to make the class to be more fun. So you can also give an example what tools that the teacher have to uh, have to use the learning platform, or what the rules that makes the class to be more fun. And the last one is in the suggestion on the part of material development factors, the teacher can use the various learning platforms so students will enjoy and can get the knowledge. So I think the various learning platforms, I think it includes that in the technological factors. So in the material development, you can give suggestion. For example, the teacher can give to students simple material while during online learning, or the more fun and interesting material during the online learning, so it can be make students more understand about the material while learning process in the online learning. That's all about my feedback on Andita's literature review article entitled A Literature Review on the Factors Affecting EFL Student Satisfaction in Online Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic at Vocational High School Level in Indonesia. And I think Andita have tried her best to doing the literature review article. That's all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.